Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to give an update on my portfolio and I'm going to talk about how I feel about the market in general lately. So right now my portfolio is at $53,433.09. On Friday it went down $493.02. That's a 0.91% drop. So let's look at my portfolio right now. I'm investing particularly in SPACs, IPOD and IPOF. I'm selling the IPOD $15 puts. These expire on 3/19. Total return so far, I'm down $210. That's an 18.75% loss right now. IPOF, I'm selling the $15 puts as well. These expired 3/19. Total return, minus $585. That's minus 19.6% return so far. So for the puts I'm selling on IPOD and IPOF, I'm fine either way. Like if it turns out that on 3/19, IPOD and IPOF are above $15 a share, then I'll just collect the premium, and that's fine. And if it turns out that they're below $15 a share, then I'll get assigned the shares, and that's fine also. I'm totally fine owning IPOD and IPOF and holding on to them until they come up with an announcement. So either way, I'm fine with these. Let's talk about my call debit spreads. So my call debit spreads, I have an IPOD 7.5 $10 call debit spread. This expires way later, October 15th. So towards the end of the year. So there's plenty of time left to go on this. Total return so far, 0. So no gain, no loss. Just totally break even right now. And I'm planning to hold on to these until they come up with an announcement. So yeah, October 15th, plenty of time left to go. IPOF, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. These also expire way later. December 17th, so way later in the year. Total return, I'm down $220. That's minus 12.79% return. But like I said, these expire way later, so I have plenty of time left to wait until they do come up with an announcement. And considering that Chamath already announced that IPOG through IPOM will eventually get on the market, I'm very confident that they will come up with an announcement soon about what company they're doing a deal with. So yeah, I'm just holding on to these for now, and they have plenty of time left to go. So I'm comfortable with these also. So that's my portfolio. Right now, buying power, I have $19,233.09 on the sidelines, which I'm very happy about because it's good to have money on the sidelines when it's a red week. So let's talk about the market in general. So if we take a look at SPY for the week, it's down 1.9%. So it has been slowly bleeding. It's not a super fast crash. If we take a look at what happened a year ago, I remember checking the market during these times, and every day the market would be down like 5%, 7%, which is crazy, right? But that's not what's happening right now. It's not going down 5% to 7% each day. It's slowly bleeding. It's a slow red movement, right? And this presents some good opportunities. So let's look at Tesla. Tesla, for example, is back in the 600s. Look at the past week, it's down 12%. Amazon is another example. For the past week, it's down 4%. Apple, right now, Apple is at $121.70. For the past week, it's down 4.94%. So as you can see, the market in general has just been bleeding for the past week. It's been red. And this presents a lot of good opportunities, especially if you're a long-term investor and you're looking at this from a perspective of like 5 years out or 10 years even. You know, if you're holding on to stocks for a very long time, there's a lot of good opportunities whenever red weeks like this happen. Of course, do your own due diligence, right? Because Not everyone's a long-term investor. Perhaps you're just trying to make some quick gains, and if that's the case, maybe it's not a good opportunity for you. So, do your own due diligence, decide what to do with your own money, and don't just blindly copy other people. And that includes me. Don't just blindly do what I do, because how I invest works for me personally. That doesn't mean it works for everybody. But yeah, in my personal opinion, because the market has been red in the past week, there's a lot of good opportunities to invest your money right now. So I'm really happy that I have a lot of money on the sidelines, just in case it just keeps on going down. So the way I see it, if the market becomes green again and goes up, well, then the plays I have already in my portfolio, hopefully they go up as well. And if the market keeps on going down and becomes more red, I have a lot of money on the sidelines that I could put to use. So I'm happy either way. I feel like I'm prepared in either situation, right? But yeah, I'm really glad that I did have a lot of money on the sidelines, because if I was fully invested in the market and we had a red week like we just did, then I would be down by more than I already am. So I'm really happy. I think what I'm going to do moving forward is just watch how the market is going to move. And if the stocks that I'm looking at go down enough, then I'll invest in them. So yeah, that's my portfolio, and that's what I think about the market in general so far. And I'll keep you guys updated in future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.